Assalamu alaikum. It's me Mahbooba Binte Delwar. Welcome again in our math class of class 3. Today I am here with a new chapter, and that is Bangladeshi coins and notes. My dear student, I hope in your real life already you have lot of idea about Bangladeshi coins and notes. But do you know what is the relationship between paisa and taka, and how do you calculate this? Yes, today we will learn about this and solve two word problem which is related to the chapter. My dear student, we know that 100 paisa is equals to 1 taka. That means 100 paisa is equivalent to 1 taka. As for example, here is 250 paisa coin. Now 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equals to 100 paisa. That means we will convert this 100 paisa in 1 taka coin or 1 taka. I say again, 100 paisa is equals to 1 taka or 1 taka coins. For another example, here is 250 paisa coins, 1 2 taka coins and 1 5 taka coins. Now count what is the total amount. Now see here, 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, it will make 100 paisa, and 2 taka and 5 taka it's make 7 taka. So how many taka is here? See here, here is 100 paisa. So 100 paisa is means 1 taka. That means here is 1 taka and here is 7 taka. Then 1 plus 7, it will make 8 taka. Now again, here is 10 paisa, 25 paisa, 25 paisa and another 50 paisa. Then what is the total amount? So plus it. 10 plus 25 plus 25 plus 50 is equals to 110. Now this 110 we can write it separately, 100 plus 10. Now this 100 makes 1 taka and here is 10 paisa. So the total amount is 1 taka 10 paisa. Here is 10 paisa, 25 paisa, 25 paisa and 50 paisa makes 110 paisa. So if I add all of these, then it will make 110 paisa, but we will write it again 100 plus 10 paisa. So the total amount here 100 paisa is equals to 1 taka and here is rest of 10 paisa. So it will be 1 taka and 10 paisa.
Understood, no?
Now my dear student, open the book page 81 and read out the question number 3. The question number 3 is, Sujan had 70 taka 50 paisa. His mother gave him 95 taka to buy fish. How much amount did Sujan have? So we will do here addition. And see here, here is 70 taka 50 paisa, but here is only 95 taka, no paisa is here. So we can write here how many paisa? 0 paisa. Let's go for the solution. Here Sujan had 70 taka 50 paisa and mother gave him 95 taka and 0 paisa. So we will do here addition. Now Sujan have how many? Here is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0 and 5 plus 0 it makes 5. And here is 0 plus 5, it will be 5 and 7 plus 9 it makes 16. So the answer will be 165 taka and 50 paisa. Now everyone read out the question number 6. Belal bought rice for 80 taka 75 paisa and vegetable for 35 taka 50 paisa. How much did he spend in total? Here is the solution. Bilal bought rice 80 taka and 75 paisa and vegetable 35 taka and 50 paisa. So the total amount will be, here we will do addition. 5 plus 0 it's make 5 and 7 plus 5 it's make 12. Now 125 paisa is here and here is 0 plus 5 it's make 5 and 8 plus 3 it will be 11. Now he spent total 115 taka and 125 paisa. But from the previous relationship we know that 125 we will converted it 100 plus 25 paisa. Now this 100 paisa makes 1 taka. So we will add this 1 taka with 115. Then this answer will converted 116 taka and 25 paisa. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. I will be here again with the new video inshallah. May Allah blesses all. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.